Travis, let me have that. What is this? What is that? What's it called? What is this called? Your finger on your mouth. What is this? What is this? It's a Mimi? Can you say Granny? Can you say Mama?
Mama.
Can you say Dada?
Daddy.
Daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy?
Daddy.
Nope. Sit back. Can you say Uncle?
Uncle.
Say Uncle?
Uncle.
Uncle?
Uncle. Uncle.
Okay. Can you say Grandma?
Come on.
Can you say... Can you say... What's funny? What's so funny? Stop.